Most people get paid, and 3 days later, they have no idea where the money went. That's not a discipline problem. That's not a math problem. That is a system problem. And the good news? Systems can be fixed. I'm going to show you the exact thing I do every single payday, step by step, that completely changed how I think about money. If you're tired of feeling like money just disappears, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you're going to have a plan you can start today. Not next month, not when you earn more. Today, I want to be upfront with you. I'm not here to sell you the idea that you need to be earning 6 figures to start building wealth. That's a lie that keeps most people stuck. When I started paying attention to my money, I wasn't making a lot. But I had one thing that changed everything, a repeatable system for every single payday. No spreadsheets with 47 tabs, no complicated apps, just a simple order of operations that runs on autopilot. Here's what the system looks like. I call it the 5-step Payday Protocol. Step 1, pay yourself first, before anything else. The moment your paycheck hits, before you pay bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything, you take a percentage and move it. Not what's left over at the end of the month. The first transfer you make. I recommend starting with just 10%. If you make $2,000 a month, that's $200. That goes directly to a high-yield savings account, a HISA the second that paycheck lands. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. You will not miss it. Your brain adjusts within 30 days. I promise. Here's why this works psychologically. When you save what's left over, there is never anything left over. But when you move it first, you spend less without even trying. This is not theory. This is behavioral economics. Step 2. Attack your fixed expenses. Once you've paid yourself first, the next thing you do is look at your fixed expenses, your rent, your subscriptions, your car payment, your phone bill. Write them down, every single one. Now circle the ones you haven't used in the last 30 days. Studies show the average person spends $219 per month on subscriptions they forgot they had. That's $2,600 a year quietly leaving your account every single month. Cancel 2 of them right now, not someday. Right now, while you're watching this. I'm serious, pause this video. Open your bank app. Find 2 subscriptions you haven't used. Cancel them. Then come back. Done? Good. You just found free money. Step 3. The 50-30-20 allocation, but make it real. Here's the rule you've probably heard before. Let me tell you why most people fail at it. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt. That sounds great on paper. But most people don't actually know if their needs are 50% or 80%. So here's what you do differently. After your payday within 24 hours, you look at last month's spending in 3 columns. Needs, wants, savings. Just total up each category. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be honest. If your needs are taking 70% of your income, you now know your exact problem. And knowing is the first move. Most people are running blind. The goal isn't to shame yourself. The goal is to see the number because you cannot fix what you cannot see. Step 4. The debt snowball payment. If you have debt credit cards, student loans, a car note every payday, you make one extra strategic payment, not just the minimum. A targeted extra payment on your smallest balance. Why? Because the debt snowball method is psychologically the most effective. When you wipe out a small debt completely, your brain gets a dopamine hit. You feel like you're winning. And you are. You put your extra $50, $100, $150, whatever you can on debt 1 until it's gone. Then you roll that payment into debt 2, then debt 3. Now, this isn't the mathematically optimal strategy. That's the avalanche method, highest interest first. But most people quit on the avalanche because they don't see progress fast enough. The snowball keeps you in the game, and staying in the game is more important than perfect math. Step 5. The 24-hour rule and your future self account. Every payday, after everything else is done, You set up one rule for yourself. No purchase over $50 without a 24-hour wait. Just one day. That's it. Research from Stanford shows that 68% of impulse purchases are not completed when there's a waiting period. You will naturally talk yourself out of most of them. And the second part of this step, start a future self account. This is separate from your emergency fund, separate from your HISA. This is money you are building for future you. Could be $10 a paycheck, could be 50. Every time you move money into it, say this out loud. This is for who I'm becoming. Sounds cheesy. Works every time. The psychology of money isn't just about numbers. It's about identity. When you start identifying as someone who builds wealth, every decision you make starts to shift. All right, let me bring it all together. The 5-step Payday Protocol. Step 1. Pay yourself first, automate 10%, the SE caned, your check lands. Step 2. Attack subscriptions, cancel 2 you're not using. Right now. Step 3. Do your 503020 audit, just last month's numbers. Honest totals. Step 4. 1 extra debt snowball payment, smallest balance first. Step 5. 24-hour rule on any purchase over $50 plus. Contribute to your future self account. That's it. 5 steps. Done in under 30 minutes on payday. Here's what I want you to understand. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Rich people aren't good with money because they were born disciplined. They're consistent because they built systems, and systems work even when motivation doesn't. If this was useful, and I genuinely hope it was, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. I make these videos to help regular people learn finance the simple way. No jargon, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Every week I post one new video. Next week, we're going deep on the one account most people don't have but absolutely should. It's not a 401k. It's not a Roth IRA. And it could save you thousands in taxes legally. You don't want to miss that one. I also put a completely free resource in the description. It's a 1-page payday checklist, so you can run through these 5 steps every single month. Download it, print it, stick it on your wall. I'm the professor. Learn finance the simple way. See you next week.